The first type of poem that we're going to look at today is called biopoem. We know that the prefix bio means life. So these are usually poems about a person's life, whether that person is still living today or it's someone in the past. And we could also add the prefix auto, say they may be autobio poems, to make it about ourselves. So that we will look at both of those types, starting with this one called Anna. Spunky, artistic, athletic, bright, sister of Annie, lover of board games, soccer, and playing with my puppy, who feels sad when my fist died, excited to get an A, and nervous the first day, who needs to watch TV less, time to clean my room, and more chocolate, who fears snakes, roller coasters, and lightning, who would like to visit with a friend, go to the movies, and kick a goal in soccer, who believes that I can make all A's, who says don't do drugs. Harrison. So what we are going to do is we are going to create our own autobio poems using this right here. So the first line is going to be your first name. The second line is going to be 4 words describing you. The third line, you are the brother or sister of, and you will list your siblings. If you don't have any siblings and you're an only child, you can put brother or sister of no one. Line 4, lover of, and then you'll list 3 things that you love. Line 5, who feels, and then you're going to list 3 thoughts or feelings. Line 6, who needs, and then you'll list 3 things that you need. Line 7, who fears, you'll list 3 things that you fear. Line 8, who would like to, and then 3 things you would like to do. Line 9, who believes, you'll type one or more things that you believe. Line 10, who says, and then you will quote yourself. What's something that you always say? And the last line will be your last name. Now, these parts that say brother, sister of, lover of, who feels, who needs, you have to type these as well. Like if you look over here, lover of, and then they list the things. Who feels, and they list it. Who needs, who fears, who would like to visit, who believes, and who says. So make sure that you type those parts as well before you list your things. And remember, you can come back to this video to look at this box to help you remember what you're supposed to be typing.